One question about advocacy, I think absolutely all SLPs should be involved and not just those interested in administrative titles, but students, program directors. It's important for every last SLP to advocate for what they do and why they do it. Grassroots advocacy specifically is on a local level, so it's letting your people know why you love what you do and why it's important. And again, that kind of includes that legislative piece where if your local representative is aware of what an SLP does, it kind of prevents the spread of ignorancy in legislation. Technology really increases that ability for SLPs who don't have a lot of time to take huge roles. It's as simple as, sharing a Facebook post that talks about what SLPs do. It's not just doing T's and R's, but it's swallowing, latching, all these other pieces that people don't often recognize. How this kind of works is having small acts of advocacy, a lot of the times through technology. So again, those posts, an email to your legislator. Step 2 is when the legislator picks it up. Maybe they see that post, they have a friend who has a child who seeks services of an SLP, and so they just become aware of what we are, and then along with those acts through us, they realize it's important to the people in their community. And then step 3, it becomes widely understood, which prevents some of those laws from being passed that we don't want to see. ASHA's online resource for advocacy is really great for professionals and students. They have advocacy days, which bring awareness to one certain day, and these kinds of acts just collectively build blocks up until the whole square is blue and every last SLP has a collective voice for the profession. And that is why I think everybody needs to be involved in advocacy in some level, especially maybe the grassroots level.